Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I am Anil Peketi. Today I am going to talk about generative AI. Generative AI belonging to category of artificial intelligence technologies, which is an algorithm which gives you an output based on inputs of different types like text, images, or voice, or some information. So this generative AI works, or it works on a data sets, and it is trained on neural networks or recursive neural networks and variation and autoencoders. These techniques enable the algorithm to learn patterns and relationships within the data, and then use the knowledge to generate new content. Actually, the main purpose of generative AI is to create new and original content. That means if you give a text, you can generate a new content of voice, or if you give a information about some image which you require, you can go to some AI tool like RunwayML, and you can give the text, and you can ask that AI to generate an image based on the text. So it gives you a real world related, very much related AI generated image, which is a new content. Okay, that means there are various applications of this generative AI. For example, if you take the chat gpt, in chat gpt, if you give a prompt, you will get the very relevant information about the topic. So comparing to the conventional browsing, in conventional browsing you will get lot of information which is irrelevant to the matter, or which is quite tough to find the exact answer. But while you use the chatbot like chat gpt, you can get the most relevant part of it. And the moreover, it gives every time, if you use the same prompt also, it gives different answers. That is the best part in this. So application of generative AI include language translation, image and video generations, music compositions, and even video game designs. However, there are also concerns about the potential of generative AI to be used for malicious purpose, such as generating a fake videos or deepfake videos or news or something like that. But the best part is, it is a progressive towards artificial intelligence. We can use that AI tools to generate the requirements of us. So simply the best example of something like that, if you give a text format, and if you want it to a translated voice with a very good noise, which is a original content, then you should go to the Murf.ai. Okay, or if you want to edit a image like a professional, then you should use some Dall E2 or something like Lucidpic. It will give you the best output. Okay, so this generative AI is quite impressive in the new technology trends. All these insights I am getting from the NXT Wave, as I am part of NXT Wave Alumni also, where I am getting very much insights. So in general, generative algorithm can be trained on various types of data sets, such as text, images, and audio. For example, a generative text algorithm might be trained on a large corpus of written material, and then used to generate new original text based on the patterns it has learned. Similarly, a generative image algorithm might be trained on a large dataset of images, then used to generate new unique images based on these patterns. Okay, so that's about the generative AI. I hope you have learned some insights from this channel. Thank you.